What's up, people? Welcome back to Stuck on a Dollar, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. If you guys know where we are, and I'll give you guys a quick clue. This place starts off with a tractor ride. Well, this one is a more of an uptown bus at the moment, but generally starts off with a tractor ride to get you to this particular falls. If you guys know exactly where we are, drop it in the comments and let me know. Yo, it's been a while since I've been here and I'm so excited. Guys not guessed it as yet? Come on, man, where my Jamaicans are? Drop it in the comments, help the other people out who've never been here before. But yeah, what's gonna be the first motive? Like, what exactly do you want to do? Get something to eat? What you want to do? Same, yeah, we hungry. We haven't, well, I for sure never had any breakfast today, and I'm sure they didn't have any breakfast. And it is now, it's like 10 minutes after 1 o'clock. So anyway, we're gonna try to get something to eat. Get something to eat really quick, because this place at this point in time with the COVID situation, it closes at 4:30 p.m. We got off to a late start because of some stuff where we were staying. There's some issues. But anyway, yeah, let's go get something to eat. These trees are really big. Really big trees. Jilly was saying that she thinks that now it's a lot better.
Yeah,
looks better.
The place is well kept.
Yeah, I think for myself it looks way better because now I'm older and I'm a lot more appreciative of the space. Before, when I came here, it was like a office type of event thing. I only cared about the girls, to be honest. I was just like, yeah, girls from the office, so we're gonna hang out and whatever, you know. So that was my vibe back then. Anyway, so Jilly made a recommendation of checking out, because we want to go zip lining. So she wants to check out the zip line situation really quick to know what time they close off, and then we can head for food. You. Yeah. Zip line situation. What time will it close off? 3? Well, guys, yo, COVID has really messed with a lot of stuff. So really and truly, if you're coming here to schedule a zip line tour, just bear in mind that they have to work with certain numbers of people per whatever, so there's no time schedule for the zip line and da. Just always make sure you come there a little bit early, schedule your time and let them know whatever is, and they will meet you at the best time. So for us right now, we don't want to do a 2 o'clock tour. We want to do the one after 2. So they say just come back there before 3 and we should be good. And there goes the famous tractor. Oh boy. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I haven't been here in about what, 8-9 years?
8-9 years?
Yeah, a long
I know
time.
what you mean. And you think it looks the same way or better?
It definitely does look the same. It looks way better.
It's a good thing.
Way
It's a very
better,
good
trust
thing.
me.
What about you, Size?
Very excited because it's my first time, so
Yeah.
soaking it all up.
For sure. And we are finally here. So yeah, you guys know me. Once I get somewhere, I want to see how good the food is. So let's see if the food is actually decent or not. Cause them said them have jerk chicken here. So I want to see if the jerk chicken can live up to jerk chicken vibe. You see me? That's if I even get it.
So anything that wipe off not there. Damn.
Wow. So a lot of stuff, typical Jamaica, like you go somewhere, there's something not there. It's weird. So there's no, what is there to eat? There's a salad. There's jerk chicken salad, smoked marlin. Oh wow. So it's 1:25 and chicken is done.
I'm surprised there's so many people here today. The
Wow.
place is packed.
Let me just say that I'm a little bit disappointed that there wasn't any jerk chicken available. And not for me, not from my perspective, but for a traveler. If a traveler comes here, chances are they're gonna want some jerk chicken, but they don't have any at the moment. So anyway, this is our bill. This is everything that we got, and that's the price.
Some of you come so far as a tourist, even as a Jamaican, and you want a little jerk chicken, and you say down.
All right, so no jerk chicken, no problem, I guess. I'm just really hoping that the burgers turn out to be really good. Yeah, that's what I kind of hope for. And I'm pretty excited about doing the whole zip lining thing. It's been a minute since I've done that. Yeah, what do you think about the price for the burger? What do you think about just overall?
These burgers better be off the chain because first things first, they're serving you burgers, it doesn't include fries. Personally,
To say that's weird.
I think it's a little bit pricey because you're gonna pay $9.80 for a cheeseburger, and then the serving of fries is $350. That's a bit much. I think. I think they could have incorporated the price in the burger, so you feel like you're getting a little bit of bang for your buck. But with that being said, we're not gonna cry over spilt milk. I just hope the burger is big. Yeah.
I think the other again, jerk chicken sandwich. I think the price is okay. But just hope that the sandwich are the right size, because yeah. But as Julie mentioned, them could have put the price of the food still, But I'm not going with them things, so we're just gonna have to work with it. I hope it tastes good because trust me, one, we're hungry bad. Two, it's expensive. So I'm really and truly hope them come through with the taste because that's gonna make me feel look better. You see me I say?
Yeah, I know we're gonna have some people that are saying like, yeah, it's a touristic place. At first, it's gonna cost more. I don't have a problem with that. But where it gets annoying is when you force me into buying something that I never really wanted. You get what I'm saying? I wanted the option of jerk chicken, and if it's 1 o'clock and you're run out of jerk chicken, there's no plans on making anything more. It's just like, that's where it is. It's done. That's it. So far, the customer service in the kitchen part kind of sucked. But yeah. Oh yeah, shout out to the lady that greeted us. She was like, it felt like, yeah, come on in, happy to see you and everything like that. So that part was great. Anyway, the proof is in the pudding.
Right in the middle.
This one is yours, here.
This one?
This one is a medium.
Okay. How did you get yours?
I told them medium, but then obviously she never put this in. So I just.
Okay.
Say it 2 times.
Said it twice. Anyway. Smells good. Looks really good. So the first one, SARS, I think that one's for you.
Yes,
That's
it
a
is.
what is it?
Jerk chicken sandwich.
Oh, it's a jerk
Not
chicken.
a jerk chicken, but I can make jerk chicken sandwich.
They probably just have the breast or something. Oh, sorry. Your fries.
Oh, I got fries.
Mm-hmm.
Meal.
And those are our burgers. This one is mine.
I would love to eat on
No, go for it, man. Jillies.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Tracy fries hot. Let's see.
Expected generic fries.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's what you expect. All right, cool. Pop into that burger. Let me see, man.
Not complete.
Mayo on jerk. Something new today.
Alright. The bread feel
Soft.
bready.
Oh my god.
The bread. But I guess the bread is like, it kind of reminds me of cocoa bread. It has like a cocoa bread feel.
Okay.
The jerk chicken is like typical jerk chicken. I mean, it's a good sandwich.
Okay.
I'd be like, woo, but it's a good
It's a
sandwich,
sandwich.
yeah.
All right.
burger tastes good. The meat not overcooked, not too dry. It's good.
Nice.
I don't know if I'm hungry, but it's nice.
Are you sure this one is bro?
The one at the end was yours. Was it your time?
Yeah, but this is one that I took.
It's like when you're biting it, it's like you're getting a whole lot of bread in your mouth at one time, as opposed to
It's like a poke.
Let's be real. This is not like a world class restaurant or nothing like that. So I'm not trying to knock it based off that. But based off the price in Kingston, if you buy a burger for $1,000, so basically the burger and fries came up to like 1,300 around that price. If you pay 1,300 for a burger, you expect even Burger King does better burgers, and that's fast food. Those are like knockoff of the burger. The burger is even more juicy and it's even thinner than these. You know, so that one just now, I get the cocoa bread concept and I actually quite like it because we are Jamaican. So if it's a cocoa bread, I'll work with that. But I'd like if like the meat inside was a little bit more juicy and the jerk sauce and was to kind of balance out that bread. But again, I know we're not at some big whatever, but if you pay restaurant quality prices, you kind of want that.
Jake.
We ordered burger from Jake's, and the burger at Jake's is how much? Like $11. The burger at Jake's is like $11, and it's basic fries. I know they're not using nothing special. Basic fries, basic ass bun, basic tomato, everything. And the meat was just like, I was surprised because I expect basic, but it was good. All right, so got another burger. The outside is still dark, but you feel it inside. It feels mushy gashy. It feels like it's more tender on the inside. Yo, let me tell you this: like whenever you guys work hard for your money, you order a particular thing, make sure you get it. I've been there already working them minimum wage and stuff like that, and them money you don't come by your cheese that easy, So make sure you get that. So shout out to the chef for actually making the burger over. It never took long either.
Yeah, he was present about
But the lady inside, she was. All right, let's try the burger. A lot softer. The dough is very heavy. It's a burger. That's all I can say. It's a burger for sure. I have an honest question. Have you ever had Tasty's sandwich? Is it good? It's the same concept. It's just it's a cocoa bread with some fried fish or chicken or whatever the hell's in there. It's like 450 or something, and you're getting fries and everything. Yeah, and it's good. It's like Anyway, so yeah, we had that just now. Oh yeah, I got them out of the time. Oh, my time from, you guys know, Nats JA. So go check her out if you want to tell me you want anything in crochet. You probably can make a brief in a crochet if you want it. You see me? So anyway, we're gonna get ready to go to the zipline thingy thing and enjoy the rest of our day. Alright, so our stomachs are full, so that means that we can really enjoy the adventure because belly not full, not organized. So anyway, Julie, oh, where's your cap, Julie? Oh, she's putting it by her back. Anyway, Julie made her own little cap thingy, or her own, what do you call it?
It's a slouchy hat.
A slouchy hat. Okay, so I guess we'll see Julie's work of art some point in the video. Anyway, we're gonna go to the ziplining thing and hope that they're ready for us and we can go for this amazing zipline. Are you guys a little bit scared? I'm feeling hot this week. I'm feeling hot. I'm hot. You really?
Nervous.
You're nervous at you.
It's adrenaline. It's adrenaline, not nerves. What you talking about, girl? Yo, I just saw the line just dropped and I was like, what? Yo! Huh?
No, you're nervous.
I'm excited.
Oh, me too.
Yo! Oh, it's that dog. Eh? From YouTube where?
I don't remember your name, but
Bless up, brother.
No, me nervous.
next time.
Huh? You nervous?
No, me nervous.
Talk to life.
I looked up and I was like,
Whoa.
This is it. I have 3 persons up there waiting on me.
Alright, so we did come here on time and thing, but you don't know Jamaican type of setup where it's a long story. But anyway, no, let me explain the story because I know some people depend on this for travel tips. Alright, so basically, whoever's working in the office has to go up and deal with the tours and have to wait till somebody else come down to the office to sort out that party. So in the meantime, what we're going to do is just to get our bags into a locker and thing, and the lockers are $500 per one. So we're gonna see how much we can fit into one locker, and then head back there. Oh, you need to sign out the disclaimer. That's nothing new. Sign disclaimer, sign away your life basically. And yeah, that has to be done electronically, so that's kind of slows up the process. You can't just write it on a piece of paper and wait till they come. So yeah, that's the vibe. All right, so we are. Well, you say hello. So we are in the locker section right now. Yeah, there's probably 2 lockers to do. My bag definitely needs 1 because it's not gonna. Yeah, that's gonna be the vibe. So let's pay for these lockers really quick and get our stuff in. Literally feel like we accomplished something great a while ago just to be signed up and to get onto this thing. Quick thing to let people know is that it's $2,500 for locals and it's $49, I believe, around that for international people. I know it's kind of a bit strange for international people because when you go to the US, most times everybody pays the same rate. But in Jamaica, let's be honest, not everyone would be able to afford the experience at all, and for these businesses to keep in operation, they need to have locals, us Jamaicans, being able to support it, to keep the business afloat. So
I'm sure that locals can afford to come and have the experience.
We're here most of the time anyway, we live here.
exactly. So don't find it weird. When I was in Mexico, it's the same thing. To take the bus, Mexicans paid less than the internationals. So and I never found it weird anyway, because they want their people to be able to travel at an affordable rate, because Mexico isn't like a very rich country. Same thing with Jamaica. And I think Jamaica is not. You don't even get that because I'm not even sure about economical standards. But anyway, we're gonna get ready to jump onto the. Jills, you are excited. I can tell. I can feel your.
Well, it'd be nice to have on sneakers because you don't want those to fall off.
That should be good. So they were asking about the shoes, if you need shoes to be on. Not really, but just makes you feel a bit more comfortable that it won't fall off. So anyway, you know which time I work? JPS. Who wants someone light? Cut off in the light. They gotta wear 2 gloves, that gloves and the workman's gloves. So that's their little COVID thing to protect people who travel here. So you ready?
Ready to put on some people light.
Oh, man.
Take off some people light. Connect some wires.
Yeah. The vibes. I'm excited. I won't lie.
Oh, I think that was
You guys excited?
so excited.
So excited! Oh my god, yo, it's a beautiful falls coming up right now. The cool part about the cool part about the zip line is not about the adrenaline rush, but you get to see other parts of the, like, this is forestry. I wouldn't even call it forestry. It's just like, you know, the falls and stuff. So that's gonna be a whole vibe, man. I can feel the temperature drop already.
Yeah.
Feels like, yeah, you feel the wind that's coming off the falls.
Can I change my mind?
We all know you want to
I don't
go.
want to do it. I'm afraid.
The life.
I feel nervous now. You know, like the closer you get into it, I feel like, whew.
Come on, dude. Let's take it for the team. We can do this.
Oh, snap.
tip. You nanny pop.
All right, so after about
This feels like about 400 meters, maybe. Think it's more?
Feels like more.
yeah, so you have to be somewhat active enough to get your butt up here and experience this. So I definitely broke a sweat. Jenny broke a sweat, mate. Nah, he good. Sarah did a little bit, so yeah.
I'm sorry, Mia.
I'm thinking like I gotta carry you guys with me on the ride. Should I? I don't think so. Is that my friend Effie though?
You can't tell the whole thing that you're weird. You can't tell whether you're safe in mind. You can't tell about your head. No, sir. That must be. Look what I'm really doing.
Nice to do things with you. I'm excited.
Really? Why is it nice to do things with me?
It's just nice.
Oh my god, I'm excited. Sarah.
Ready? Can't wait.
Oh my god, it's like a mini rush. Bruh.
We'll make it across safely. We will have fun, and we're going to be safe. In Jesus' name, amen.
Index finger here. Index finger. Hold on down here. You're gonna sit, lean back, bend, all the way across. Okay?
Alright.
Somebody gonna catch me?
I think so. Everybody is supposed to catch you.
Alright, ready.
You're ready. You're ready too.
Ready?
You're ready.
What am I doing?
Please have sit, lean back, knees up.
Ready.
Index finger here.
Hold here, sir? Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Alright.
Sit, legs up, knees bent all the way across.
Woo! So excited! Woo! Thank you, sir. That was epic. That was epic. Alright. Oh my god, that was good.
Yes.
Yo, for the whole time I was kind of worried because I was pressing something and it said your memory card is full. I was like, oh no, I can't take them with me. That's what I never got when Sarah went across first. But that was fun. All right, so we're gonna check how everyone felt, starting with Jillian. She's a daredevil of the group. How did you feel?
I was nervous.
Yeah, we can see that. What about you?
But it feel good.
Yeah. I won't lie, I was nervous when he was putting on the stuff. But then once he said, like, you know, get ready to sit and whatever, I was just like, all right, that's fun. Whoop! Yo, bless good. Up. Yeah, good. Blessings. I feel like a school kid when they got that star sticker and you're like, I did well.
Yeah, somebody have to left out there.
This part is the painful part. my god.
Index finger here. Hold on down here.
My poor coochie.
So excited.
Bring the back to the top.
What?
Bring the back to the top.
Uh-oh.
Stop, knee bend all the way down, okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
So excited!
It's a squeeze of a coochie.
Oh my god.
Bad.
Hold on the boss.
Next finger here.
Wait, but hold on the boss.
Settle in down. Legs up, knees bent all the way down. Eh? Bring him back here. Bring him. Bring back all the way down.
Wow. Yo.
What?
Yeah.
Alright, watch me.
Yep.
You want to put one hand up yourself?
Yep.
And do like that, pull up yourself.
Pull up.
Do like that, up there. What? Yeah. What?
My life line. Yo, that was the fastest one.
Long time.
That one was fast, bro.
Like it never gonna end.
I was like, is this gonna end? Jano. It was nice. Excited? How many more?
What?
2 more?
One more left off.
1 more? Okay.
What?
So excited!
What?
Ready? There's something there. The walkie-talkie.
Walk it out to the long line.
Oh.
Sit, he's up in the back. Me hear my and I hear him not talking. No, me listen back.
Yeah. Whoop! Yeah, so? Ready?
Yeah, man, sit, he's up in the back.
Whoa.
Off it! Zip!
Ready?
Ready?
Unbelievable enough tension, cuz.
This is the last one. This is the last hurrah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Done too quick, but
He's up, lean back. Rappel in, cuz. Your time.
my turn? What's going on?
Oh, I got stuck right here.
Yeah, if that never happened to me somewhere. No,
I come back to earth in one piece and 11 pieces.
I'm saying. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I was in mid-air for a good 2 seconds. It's not on.
Stop him.
Okay. Okay. No, I know.
This one had the worst one.
No, I know.
This is like...
So were you nervous? Soai?
Huh?
Were you nervous?
Yeah, go on.
You stopped me in mid-air. I didn't.
Stop the licky tree. What you want me to make a licky tree?
I was like, what the hell?
Something good where you see it though. Alright, family, this not the man a licky tree. You see how you going?
Alright, so we came back just in time to get our bags and stuff. I gotta go back to Sarah. Oh, you good? Trying to store something? Yeah, so we got the bags and everything, so we're gonna head over there, drop off the gear. Yo, today was fantastic being here.
Yep.
I find it to be a really great experience. Yeah, food adds a great deal to any trip or whatever, but really and truly we came here for the atmosphere. We came here for a zip line primarily. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna get some street food later on, and then probably tomorrow, because I know the ladies especially, and even myself, we definitely need to go get like a day of relaxation, not just in the house, but just by some fresh water. Yeah. So yeah, you gotta pay the entry fee again to come here tomorrow, but it's no big deal. We're gonna come back tomorrow, just relax from morning till 4:30, and then have a vibe. So check out that video whenever it drops. But for now, we're gonna try to get some street food, some coconut water, some cane, you know, whatever we can get at this time.
Yes, this is what we wanted. Oh shoot!
Oh, this is the experience. Alright, let's save a seat for Sarah. What is Sarah doing? She's probably taking up. This is the second bus that came now. This heavy bag. It's about to rain. Sarah's nowhere to be found, yo. Oh no, what? Girl! Did she jump on the... How's there saving her seat? This is my favorite part of the experience, yo. Oh, the rain looks beautiful, yo. The rain looks so good. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but yeah. St. Elizabeth is probably one of the driest parishes I've ever been in. Right? It doesn't rain. Hardly ever rains, yo. Alright guys, so right now we are in the famous Holland Bamba right now. We're at a little rest stop really quick. The girls are trying to take some really cool photos, because let me tell you, the photos in here definitely are epic. But I'll come back here tomorrow so I can show you a little bit more of the place. But right now it's really about us getting something to drink and thing. And yo, it's a vibes. Yo, so we're gonna get some coconut water because we're very thirsty. My head's hurting a little bit. Feel dehydrated, so we'll go forward over to the coconut man really quick. Oh yeah, sir.
Yeah man, we there man.
Well, before we cut that one in, we want cool coconut jelly. Coconut jelly? Eh? You have it? You have some? What no? You want hot coconut jelly or cool? Cool coconut jelly. So tell me, see you have at least 3 in there. How much you have? 2?
They're not cool.
They're not cool?
Yeah, it's made up on it.
I saw you go. We take the same way. No man, I take the same way, man. No, brother. If we have the option, I get it cool, we take it cool, you know?
You like how you sound. So yo,
eh?
oh, you want so lucky?
What do you mean? Oh, two girl.
You want South Africa?
Yeah, that man, that man.
You
Yeah.
left one with me.
Yeah, the man. Yeah.
You left one with me, you know.
Alright.
Up on camera you put me.
You want it on the camera?
The camera there, how much people can put me on camera. Andrew Pang, jelly man.
Andrew Pang, jelly man.
Right.
Alright, so to make sure it's on the forward there, so.
Right, at Jamaica, St. Elizabeth, Island Bamboo, right, that's so.
Yeah.
Right, near to Lock over.
How long you there, so?
2 months.
2 months? Yo! Me have a laugh, cause more time people tell me, say, oh, 5 years, man say 2 months. At least they're honest still. So the experience like so far in 2 months, I get sales and things?
Best thing ever happened to me in life.
Eh?
Yeah.
Get people off forward, a good look, a good look. Share when I lady, them, and them get you.
Original style, if you have stone, you use that one.
Yeah, original.
Because when I want the people, then catch carry one.
Yeah. Nice coconut jelly.
Wash off your heart.
Yeah. Vibes. To the next one for Sarah.
Sarah. That one, my legs.
You like that one there, Sarah? Yeah? I'll make you like that one there.
You have to tell her, I can't tell her.
Alright. Keep it confidential with her again.
Can't tell her, I have to tell her. Rasta, you know.
Oh, you like Rasta?
Yeah, man, I love the Rasta ladies, you know.
Strong, you know, man. No, that vibe, man.
The same thing you talk about. One chop.
Alright. Second round coconut
Next
water
patient.
up. Same treatment.
Next page.
You treat that one a nice guy.
Good evening.
Hello.
My name is Andrew.
Hi, Andrew.
Is your name?
Sarah.
Oh, what a beautiful name.
Thank you.
I know me nice and the coconut water, you know.
Right. Alright. Andrew, switch it up for them. I'm gonna get Andrew, do your thing, bro. Yeah. I say,
Yeah,
most
yeah.
people can't see you on camera now.
Get on coaster, you know, man. We post.
Oh, God.
And then only to post, we get a coaster.
What's
Only to one.
Yo. What time when I normally move from that side? Because I know curfew time and thing.
We do it anytime now, sir. Man business.
Man business. What time when I'm morning there? Early morning? Alright, I want all the vibes, I know. But tomorrow still. Tomorrow
Yeah,
I
that one, you
do
know, I'm not getting no artist trying. You know, bother with it.
Bless up,
I'm going to
Andrew.
put the camera up on your jinky.
No respect, good man. Bless up, man. No respect, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, so I get my coconut water. It's my compliments to Andrew. So, film stop the right, so 2 bills of coconut at the moment. And it's at the rest stop with the restaurant, bar and everything, so you can't miss it. There's actually 2 establishments along the way. Yeah. This one looks more of a establishment than the other one's a bit smaller. So, oh, this is a tourist board place. Exactly. So this is the official rest stop. Got you. Official rest stop is right here. Woo. Ah, that was lovely. What I like about this coconut have a whole of meat in them. You can see it already. Yep, full of meat.
Yeah, man, we love what big out is something.
What?
You know.
Yeah, you know things that already, so it's there.
But they are big fat jelly this, you know.
Come on.
You should have some sugar.
I'm gonna get the sugar for you.
What's
Say,
that?
which part?
St. Elizabeth.
No, which Albert Price you never been.
Oh.
I mean, I said which part you know right now.
Well, I'm sorry, maybe I second get myself outside there.
Westmoreland.
That's
Yeah.
Oh, now boss.
So my bad.
You have to be careful with that Sarah, you know.
one goal.
Can we bust it fast? Hear that?
So my bad.
Eh? Bad, you're bad.
One,
Yeah.
Andrew, honest your fault, you Andrew.
Yeah,
When you say while ago, you say two them there, I say you know miss today.
No,
One I go, but what do you miss? Give me one of them something.
when time man, every time we try, you mash it us.
Alright, so yeah, inside I don't take cards and I'm all out of cash, so we won't be able to try. Well, I mean, it's just regular drinks in there. It seems like it's a regular bar with whatever it is. I kind of wanted a Malta. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. If I do find somewhere to continue through, then I will. But at the moment, catch you guys tomorrow. Remember to see things, love, nature, and adaptation.
And always remember, keep the link.